Welcome to Mikab Model College online tutorial. We hope at the end of this lesson, you will have acquired the expected learning outcome. Sit down and listen attentively as we introduce.
Bonjour à tous, je m'appelle Shaibou Mary, votre professeur de français. Hello viewers, welcome to another French class. My name is Shaibou Mary, your French teacher. Today we want to discuss alphabets in French. Alphabet and their pronunciation in French. The same way alphabet is written in English, the same way it is written in French. Just the pronunciation that differs. Today we are going to learn how to pronounce the alphabet in French. Now let's go. A. This is how we pronounce it in French. A. B. C. D. O. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Repeat after me. A. B. C. D. O. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. and Z. It is very simple to read in French. If you know how to read their alphabet, it is very simple to read and write in French. So because of that, we are going to read the letter one more time. A. B. C. D. O. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. and Z. Now we are going to form some letters, some words with the letters in French. Formation of letters in French. École. École, which means school. Stylo. Stylo, which is pen. Bébé. Bébé, which is baby. Péré. Péré, which is father. Sac. Sac, which is bag. We are going to take it one more time to know how to pronounce them. École. Répétez après moi. École. Stylo. Bébé. Péré. Sac. Try and pronounce the words in French. In our next class, we'll be discussing salutation. Thanks for listening.